Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. A photon and an electron have equal energy E. Then we have to obtain lambda of photon upon lambda of electron is proportional to which of the following? First, that students, please note the key concept of this question, which says that the energy of photon is given by E equals to hc upon lambda, where lambda represents wavelength of that photon. Now, but we don't have direct relation of this is direct relation of wavelength lambda of electron with its energy. For that we will use de Broglie wavelength expression for electron. For electron we will use de Broglie wavelength expression. This is lambda equals to h upon p, where h represents Planck's constant and p represents momentum of electron. We are defining here electrons or momentum of electron. In other cases, p is known as momentum of the particle. So lambda of electron, this is written as h upon p. We know that students, kinetic energy is given as half mv square. On multiplying and dividing this whole expression with m, we will get half m square v square upon m. This is also equal to half p square upon m. This is because p equals to m times v. So this is kinetic energy. Let's represent this as k. So p square equals to 2 times k. From here p will be root 2 times k. So students, यहाँ से हमने मोमेंटम को काइनेटिक एनर्जी से रिलेट किया. This is the expression for lambda of electron. And from key concept, lambda of photon, we can write lambda of photon as E. Lambda of photon is C upon energy. Instead of energy, we can write its kinetic energy K, Hc upon K. Now we just have to take the ratio of lambda of photon upon lambda of electron. So lambda of photon, we got Hc upon K, and lambda of electron is H upon root 2 mk. So this will be H and H will be cancelled out. So this will be C upon K into this root 2 mk will jump onto numerator, root 2 mk. Now this will be C into root 2 times mass of electron into root kinetic energy upon kinetic energy. Now C root 2 me upon root k. This will be C times root of 2 me upon kinetic energy. Clearly students, this ratio is proportional to the square root of kinetic energy K, proportional to root E, and this matches with option C of this question. I hope आपको ये concept समझ आया student. Thank you.